Amazon Basics Outdoor 4-Burner Gas Griddle Review. A perfect choice for outdoor cooking. Expert Review Corner. Outdoor grilling is always an enjoyable activity, especially when the weather is pleasant. Each of the 4 stainless steel tube burners has a 13,000 BTUs heating capacity, totaling a powerful 52,000 BTUs. Design and quality, striking the balance between functionality and aesthetics. In-depth analysis of the key features. The heat zones are controllable, allowing for different cooking temperatures on the same griddle, a feature that users find particularly beneficial. The griddle top is non-stick and rust-resistant, which makes cleaning up a breeze. Comparison with similar products. Pros and cons. Why this product is better than other products. There are several similar products in the market, but the Amazon Basics Outdoor 4-Burner Gas Griddle stands out due to its high quality, durability, and convenience. User experiences and testimonials. Users rave about how the griddle is perfect for making a variety of dishes, from breakfast spreads to dinners. Tips and tricks for users. Always ensure to check the flame levels to maintain the right temperature. A griddle scraper and a water sprayer can make cleanup easier. Frequently asked questions. What is the size of the griddle? It measures 63.7 by 24.7 by 34.9 inches. What is the heating capacity of the griddle? It has a total heating capacity of 52,000 BTUs. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Outdoor 4-Burner Gas Griddle is a versatile, high-quality product. Despite minor issues such as the grease trap's location, the griddle proves to be a reliable option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts.